You can now. Okay, good. That's actually perfect. See, that's why I need a GoPro. Because it'll be on my... No, I'm not kidding. And I can wear it, right? All right, tell me when.
I'm going.
Okay, so this demonstration is how to draw this part of this spiny shell. So this student, no callouts, did this part great, and wants to work on this. So first thing we're going to do is determine the height and the length and the shape of each one of these rings. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's like 5 of them really. Here's the first one. And then we're going to determine basic shapes where these are. And they're a circle at the base and they come up to a point. So they're cones, right? So 1, 2, 3. I am not going to go around and count how many spikes that you have. But sometimes in going around, it's useful. And then a cone. Negative space, behind this, what do I see here? It looks like this, this, and this is a cone. These represent, this is when I go around and use what I learned during blind continuous line drawing. And then each one. And it's really a pattern. And what that tells me in the end, it really gives me a lot of information about shading it. Because what it tells me in the end is that once I have the cast shadow drawn in, okay, these are really each spike is a little cone. So even when I go up here, this circle reminds me that this is a cone. Curved lines. And this whole thing right here is a cone too. Dark underneath like a cast shadow. Oops, I forgot some. And then the light part, I'm just putting a broken line because when I erase, I don't want to lose it for sure. And then what happens when I erase? I notice I lose some of this form. So notice I'm not outlining the whole thing, but I'm putting in some broken lines. And I'm trying to, at this point, now that I've gotten the basic shading in, I'm trying to like recreate the idea of this spiral going around. And when I'm drawing it, this, I don't want to get confused as to what my cast shadow is. So I'm going to put my cast shadow in. And the cast shadow, I'm trying to make it like a flat tabletop, and I'm going to make it really, really dark so it looks like it's popping up. Totally flat. And every once in a while I just want to recheck to make sure that I'm making it look flat. Now, what does this look like down here? So this is pretty dark. So at this point, if I go like this, we're good. Because we want to change that, and we're trying to follow the cross contour lines. And it's kind of like rounded like that and pretty dark. And that's it. And the rest you just kind of like shade the same, using that same technique.